Good day, students. Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhunde High School welcomes you to our digital class. Myself, Anjum Sheikh, is going to teach you English 1 today. Before that, can you tell me, do you all like fruits? Do you all like vegetables? As you all know, that fruits and vegetables are very healthy for our body. They are very good for our body. They contains vitamins, minerals, iron and many more things which are good for our health and body. My dear children, today I want to say that you all must eat more fruit. I'm sure everyone likes to eat fruit than vegetables. But everyone doesn't like to eat every fruit. Some or the other fruits might be your favorite one. So, every fruit has its own taste, right? Banana has sweet, apple tastes sweet, kiwi tastes sour, grapes are sweet and sour. Every fruit has its own taste, and every person has their different taste buds. Today, we are going to learn about such one very delicacy fruit, that is strawberries. Today, we are going to learn a poem of strawberries. So let's start. As you all can see, the tangy strawberries here. Now, children, I'm going to do the recitation of the poem. So please pay attention. Strawberries that in garden grow are the plump and juicy fine. But sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. I'll read once again for you. Strawberries that in garden grow are the plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. Children, this is the poem which we are going to learn and understand today. This is the poem Strawberries. Now I'm going to explain you stanza wise all these lines of the poem. So let's start. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine. Here the poet says about the strawberries that grows in garden which are plumpy, pulpy and juicy, which taste sweet. Strawberries have two tastes. They are sweet and sour, same like grapes, but not like kiwi. As you all can see, how strawberries turn red. Once again, it's a flower. The bud opens into a flower, then shrink, then the fruit come out, and now the fruit is ripe and red. Next line. But sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. As you all know, strawberries is a small fruit, so it's same like grapes, but grapes are having vine, creepers and climbers. But strawberry is a small plant which grows on a ground. But sweeter far as wise men know means a person who is farming, cultivating strawberries, the strawberries which are growing in the garden are more sweeter than the strawberries cultivated by a farmer. But of course, it will be sweeter because the strawberries which grow in the garden are naturally grown without chemicals, and the strawberries which are grown in the woodland vine by a wise man, a farmer, are not as sweeter as the garden one, because the farmer definitely nowadays, he uses chemicals and insecticides and pesticides to protect his farming, and that decreases the quality of the fruits. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. Now for the garden strawberry, which is very sweeter than the cultivated farm strawberries. We don't need any bowl or silver spoon or sugar or spice or cream, because itself it has its own sweeter taste, that you will not wait for a bowl or a silver spoon, you will directly have it right from the garden. As you can see, the girl is eating strawberry. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. The garden strawberries are plucked before time, but the farm strawberries are plucked in a specific time when it is cultivated on a large scale. The strawberries which are cultivated or farmed are used by hybriding it, or hybriding means mixing it, giving injections, farming injections, by giving chemicals. The cultivation is very fast. As you all know, nowadays everything is available in a very large production, large scale, means the farming is done in a large scale. If a strawberry if a fruit, for example strawberry, is ripe and we get in the month of June, but if a person who is cultivating or farming strawberries can cultivate it frequently, in shorter time, more strawberries. As you all can see, the plucking of strawberries. Let's have a recap of this poem. The poem Strawberries tells us that the strawberries are grown in garden under our loving care is not as sweet as the strawberries that grow in the woods without anyone to look after it. Means the strawberries in the gardens grow in the gardens under our loving care is not as sweet as strawberries that grow in the woods without anyone to look. Let's have the assignment for today. First of all, learn and recite the poem. Okay? Read the lesson and answer the following. Which are the two different places where strawberries grow? Now, in the poem, which are the two different places given where the strawberries grow? One in the woods, under the woods, and one in the garden. One where the strawberries grow without anyone, the strawberries which grow under our loving and care, and one in the woodland. What are the two different ways of eating strawberry? What are the two different ways of eating strawberry? By plucking it and directly eating it, and by having it in a bowl and then eating with a spoon or cream or sugar, right? How it is described in the poem. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? The strawberries which are grown in the garden are plump and juicy. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? Strawberries which grow in garden are plump and juicy. Which strawberries are sweeter? Tell me, which strawberries are sweeter? The strawberries which grow in garden are sweeter than the strawberries which grow in under the woods. How would you like to eat your strawberry? Number 5. How would you like to eat your strawberries? Now, for example, I will tell you my experience. I would like to eat the strawberries directly plucking it from the garden and having it without any silver spoon, sugar or cream. Next, here is the activities, textual activity of page number 7, which we will do one by one. I have jotted down the question here, but we will solve it one by one for you. Activity. The first one is farming of strawberries in Maharashtra. Now, where does the farming of strawberries in Maharashtra is done? It is basically, this is a map of Maharashtra, and the farming of strawberries in Maharashtra is only done in Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani and Vai Ghats. Why? Because strawberries are cultivated on a slopy region, on the slopes of a hill or mountain. So in Maharashtra, strawberries are cultivated on a large scale in Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani and Vai. Farming of strawberries. Here you can see how the farming of strawberries is done. This is the vine. How we have grape wine, same way this is strawberry wine, and this is the farming of strawberries. The Mahabaleshwar strawberries is grownly main in hilly Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani belt in western Maharashtra. As of late 2015, it is grown in an estimated area of 3,000 acres with about 30,000 metric tons of fruit being produced annually, means yearly. Next, make a list of your favorite fruit and vegetables and note down the time of the year when they are available in plenty. Means, which is your favorite fruit and vegetable, and note down the time when does it come in plenty. For example, I'll tell you my example. I like watermelon very much. Mangoes are my favorite, but I get these two fruits only in summer season. Same way, which are your favorite fruits and vegetables, and when do you get that fruits and vegetable in the whole year? Note down that timing. Have you ever eaten any fruit or vegetable picking it straight from the tree or field? I have eaten guava and strawberry directly from the tree. Now write about the experience in 3 to 5 lines. For example, my experience of eating strawberries is I went to my uncle's farmhouse, and there he was having strawberry farming in Mahabaleshwar. My uncle's farmhouse was in Mahabaleshwar, and he was a farmer, and he was cultivating strawberries on a slopy region. And then one day I visited his farm and I plucked the strawberries there and had. And it was, I'll tell you, it was very juicy and sweet. Thank you, students, for lending your ears and listening to me. Hope you have understood the poem. If any query you are having, you can ask me on WhatsApp group of your class. Thank you so much.